Hello, my name is Anuvind Bhushan, and I have about 18 plus years experience in IT. And currently I'm working in Capgemini as a test manager. And basically how I got to know about this particular institute was I got a call from Jagdish and directly, and he asked me to go through some of the videos on the net. And I happened to go through, I think, one particular video regarding AWS networking, which also happened to be my favorite topic in this course. And I went through that particular video and found it to be very interesting. And I thought, let me give this a go, since I had no other way of knowing about this institute. Just by hearing Bhaskar in that particular demo video, I got the confidence in this institute. And I cannot compare it to any other institute since I'm not taken this course anywhere else. And definitely I would like to refer my friends. I've already referred one of my friends for this program. He was contemplating joining this institute. Let's see what happens. And I would give Bhaskar 4.5 out of 5. I mean, just so that 5 is absolute perfection. So nobody can be absolutely perfect. So I would give him 4.5 out of 5. And regarding the infrastructure in this institute, everything was arranged and everything was conveniently, the platform was set. And we had no issues whatsoever with respect to either the network or the connection or the videos or with respect to anything. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sujata Priyadashini. I am from Cognizant. I have 4.7 years of experience into production support, basically mainframe and control M. I wanted to learn something in cloud and obviously AWS because I can see my career in that. When I go through some videos, I feel, yeah, this is something which I can do. That's why I wanted. I have went for demo classes for other institute also, and I didn't feel it good. But Cloud4Green was really good when I can see a trainer having so much confidence. Then only the trainees will have that confidence to learn or to aspire or to think, okay, we can take this as a future. Best topic I'll tell like EC2 VM creation because that is the starting of AWS and where we can play with the VMs, where we can do whatever we want regarding it be security or RDP or or any kind of usage with the VMs. Yes, obviously I gained lots of confidence after the completion of course because I was having zero knowledge about cloud, but yes, now I can say yeah, I can surely do something with cloud. Obviously I'll refer my friends wherever I can. It is really different because of the trainer, the infrastructure, the people working here and the colleagues you meet over here, the snack time, the tea time, everything is very good. You enjoy in the class, there is no pressure like you have to do it now and itself. Sir takes a lot of time with you, he clears all your doubts. And basically we have the hardware as a VM, we can see it, we can learn. That is the first and the most different thing which other training centers won't be having the hardware. I will rate Bhaskar as 4.9. Yeah, like my friend told, no one is perfection, but I feel like he is very, whatever he is doing, he is so good in every sense. So yes, I really like it and I'll give a thumbs up. Thank you.